Hey everybody, how you doing? Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there that are rail fanners. It is Mr. Canada National, and I'm here at the train and bus station in Battle Creek, Michigan. And I'm waiting on for a eastbound train. Got an indication of a eastbound train that's going to be approaching. Got a green light. And when he gets here, I'll get this rolling. But until then, I'll be talking to you. The gates are going down. And pretty soon that train will be coming around that bend. So, hope you guys will enjoy this train video with Mr. Canada National. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this train video with me. And if you did, can you go thumbs up? Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel so they could come and check me out. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, hit that subscribe button down there and subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos here I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Hey, also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified. But this was filmed on Sunday, May 12th, 2024. Until my next video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this train video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.